Hi guys, it's Daniela again and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I was really struggling to think of what to film, but I think I'm going to do like a colourful cut crease. It would only be like my second cut crease I've ever done. So I don't know if this video is going to be very chatty or if I'm going to be like explaining what I'm doing. But I just wanted to record and I wanted to just do like a creative kind of video. So let's get started. So I've already primed my eyes and powdered them, so that's all set. So the first colour I'm going to go in with is this colour from the NYX palette. And I'm going to take that into my crease. As that colour is not really coming out as much as I want and it's not really as vibrant, I'm going to go in with the Sephora Pro Editorial palette. And I'm going to use this shade into my crease just to make it more pigmented. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with a deeper shade from the same palette, and it's this colour here. So I've just been going in with this purple from the NYX palette just to deepen out this whole look. And now I'm scared. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to try and cut my crease. I'm terrified. I'm scared that I'm going to screw it up with cutting the crease. So they're not exactly the same. I think that's because my eyes are different. This is so like daunting. And now I'm going to actually set my concealer and see how that looks. Okay, so now I'm going to try and do a wing. Pray for me. It's not the best, I know that. It is not brilliant, do not get me wrong. But it's not terrible. I can stay here all day trying to clean it up and I'll just bloody ruin it. Which I know, knowing me, I'm going to sit here and try and clean it up. So, I'm going to try and clean it up. Okay, so I went in with glitter over the liquid liner and then I went over the glitter with my black liquid liner, so it kind of looks like the glitter is in the black, if that makes any sense. I don't know if it does, but I'm liking this look a lot more. I know I haven't been chatty, but obviously I'm trying so hard to concentrate on this look and get it dead on that I haven't been chatty. So I'm gonna go off camera and I'll be back shortly in like 2 seconds. Bye guys. But it'll be like 2 hours for me. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm back. So I've done all of my base except my lips and I've done my lashes, well my top lashes. And now I'm going to do the bottom, and for the bottom I think I'm going to go in with the same colours that I used at the top. But I might add like a darker shade at the bottom, like a blue or something. I'm not sure yet, but let's go with it. I don't know why I'm doing that voice. And I don't know why I'm talking so much with my hands. So I'm just going to go in with that really, really pale shade from the NYX palette, this one, first. And take that to my lash line and just blend it out, just so the other colours have something to blend into. So I've done my lower lash line. I just used all the colours that I did at the top on my lower lash line. I didn't go in with that blue just because, I don't know, I felt like it would be too much. So I'm just going to do my lips, and for my lip liner I'm going to use the Primark PS lip liner, the one that I used in my last video, and line my lips, and then I will probably do a nude. Probably. So I've done my lips and I have finished my look. I really like how it's come out. I struggled at the beginning and it's not the best, but all the products that I used I put in the down bar. But for my lips, it was a complete concoction. I used a Maybelline Colour Sensational matte lipstick in Nude Embrace, which is 930. Then I added in the Barry M lipstick in 101, and it's like a really pale nude, which I use quite often just to lighten up any of my nudes. And yeah guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making this video. It was a bit of a challenge for me, and I like a good challenge. So if you did like this video, please remember to like and comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. It won't kill ya, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.